In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Figma Dev Mode for free. While Dev Mode itself now requires a paid professional, organization, or enterprise seat, you can still access a surprising amount of inspection detail with Figma's built-in tools. I'll show you how to grab useful CSS, accurately target small or nested layers, and measure spacing between elements, all without paying for Dev Mode. First, let's pull basic CSS straight from your design. Click to select any element you want to style. Then right-click your selection, open the Copy or Paste as menu, and choose Copy as CSS. This copies a handy snippet to your clipboard that often includes properties like display, flex, padding, gap, width, and height. Paste that into your code editor as a starting point for your layout. Keep in mind, this is a simplified translation of your design, not a full production-ready style sheet. It won't include advanced Dev Mode features like design tokens or component-level code. But it gives you the key structure so you can move faster. If the CSS looks off, double-check that you selected the correct layer. Selecting a frame versus a group, or a component versus a child layer can change what gets exported. Next, let's make precise selections, especially for small text or elements buried inside complex groups. Hold the Control key while you left-click to target exactly what you want. This is extremely helpful when items overlap or when you keep selecting the parent frame by mistake. With Control held down, Figma lets you drill into nested layers without bouncing around the hierarchy. So you can quickly copy CSS for that exact node or inspect its properties with confidence. Finally, measure distances between elements with a single shortcut. With any element selected, hold the Alt key to reveal spacing to nearby objects. As you hover your cursor, you'll see dynamic distance overlays that mimic the measurement tools in Dev Mode. Here is no need to click, just keep Alt pressed and move around to view padding, gaps, and alignment relative to siblings or the parent frame. This is great for checking consistent spacing as you implement your layout in code. That's it. Thanks for watching.